Today you're going to be learning how to find the range from a set of data. If you'll notice, this horizontal line is the number of seconds, and each dash is 1 second. This vertical line is the number of people, and each dash is the number of people. Now let's imagine that this line plot represents the people that could juggle 3 balls for a certain amount of time. So if we'll look at this, one person could juggle for 2 seconds. 2 people could juggle for 3 seconds, and so on. When I want to find range, you simply take the smallest number and the largest number, and you find the difference. So 8 minus 2 equals 6. 6 is the range. To find the mode of a set of data, there's something that you can use as a memory trick. Mode is simply the data you see the most of. So if I look at my data, and what I've done is I like to write down how many times the data has shown up. So I have 1 X under 2 seconds. I have 2 X's under 3 seconds. I have 3 X's under 4 seconds. And then I lay out my numbers in that way so I can see them. So if I find the mode, which is the most reoccurring, I can see that this here, there are 4 8s, 2 7s, 2 6s, 3 5s, 3 4s, 2 3s, and a 2. What number is repeated most often? 8. That is my mode. And finally, finding the median. One way that we can do this one's a little more tricky, is you're going to try to find what's in the middle. And one way we can do that is, you've noticed that I have all my data laid out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start crossing them out alternately from each end. So I'm going to cross out the 8 and the 2, cross out the 8 and the 3, cross out the 8 and this 3, cross out this 8, cross out the 4, 7, 4. Just keep crossing them out until you have one that's left. That's 5. 5 is your median. Okay, let's just recap this before we finish. The range is the difference between the largest number and the smallest number. So you'll be subtracting. 8 minus 2 is 6 is range. The mode is the data that it reoccurs the most. I have 4 8s here, so that is my mode, 8. And median is trying to find the information in the middle, the data in the middle. And I do that by alternating crossing out the numbers from each end until I get one that's left. And you're all done.